Today's video is part 3 of my Tiny Tidy Kitchen series. Today I'm going to be cleaning out pots and pans, mixing bowls, and that kind of thing, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy. Thank you so much to Sunday Dawn for hosting Tiny Tidy Tuesdays each and every Tuesday and putting this collaboration together for us. Please check out her channel in my description box below, along with all the other fabulous creators who make Tiny Tidy Tuesday possible. I would love for you to watch their videos. I always feel so inspired when I watch their Tiny Tidies as well. Again, I am working in my kitchen. I'm doing it small steps at a time. I'm going to be cleaning out a couple of cabinets. One cabinet has pots and pans, one cabinet has mixing bowls, serving platters, that kind of thing, and I am ready to get that done, so let's get busy. If you are new to my channel, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I like to bring a variety of content to my channel. I love cleaning motivation, organizing motivation, decluttering recipes. I just love all things homemaking. I even add some DIYs in here and there and some lifestyle videos, and I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. As most of you guys know, a couple of years ago, I was in the hospital. I had a virus and was in heart failure, and so my house went into chaos, and I am currently using small steps to clean and declutter my home. And by using small steps, I mean that I'm doing my kitchen now, and I'm doing 1 or 2 cabinets at the most per day. And I am filming that and bringing that to you because I want you to see that no matter what stage of life you're in, what time constraints you may have, how your health may be, that you can actually accomplish things, declutter things, and get things back in shape and get things organized and not feel so overwhelmed. So I started this project by taking everything out of the cabinets. I actually ended up doing 2 cabinets. Originally, I was going to just clean out this cabinet, put everything back nice and neat, but I ended up putting a lot of the stuff from the bottom cabinet into this upper cabinet and putting stuff from the upper cabinet into the bottom cabinet. So I did a little switching around, and you will see that in just a minute.
Said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. Like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, the one I pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
These are two tools that we use for the grill. We use them maybe twice a year, so I decided to stick them back in the back. I also, on the bottom shelf, I put my crock pot down there, and I had about 3 items, and I was not sure if I was ready to part with them yet or not. So what I did was I took the 3 items that I was not sure about, and you'll see them right here, and I put them behind the crock pot. That way I can still use them if I need them, but after a while, if I have not touched those, I think that I am going to go ahead and part with those. So that was kind of my reasoning behind that. So now I have all my pots and pans back down here. I've had them down here before, and I have my crock pot down here. We use our crock pot like literally all the time, so I wanted to make sure that I was so tired of putting it up on that top shelf. I wanted to make sure that it was easily accessible, and then I just kind of put the mixing bowls and things, other things up in this cabinet. I tried to put things that we do not use up higher and things that I use maybe on a daily basis down lower. And again, it does not look like a Pinterest worthy project whenever I am finished, because real life things typically do not look as pretty as Pinterest. I love to go on Pinterest for inspiration. However, just when you start doing things every day on a daily basis, having everything look beautiful and perfect is just not something that works for me and my family and my home, and it might work for you, and if it does, that's great. You do you and I will do me. So this is just kind of me putting the mixing bowls where I can reach them. I have a seasonal bowl I'm putting at the top. All in all, I was extremely pleased with how this project turned out. It ended up being a little more work than I had anticipated, but I like having things that we use on the daily more easily accessible, and things that we do not use as often up a little bit higher. And again, it's not beautiful, it's not perfect, but it works for our needs, and that is what is important. So thank you guys so much for doing this little tiny with me. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this inspired you, and I hope that you can take on a little project today as well. Do not forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist in my description box. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.